how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now before we get to understand how to use Uber Cash for Uber Eats, you have to understand what it is in the first place. Uber Cash is actually a digital balance and an in-app wallet that you can refill at any time. So when you purchase $100 in Uber Cash, for example, it will never expire and you can use that Uber Cash balance to order rides or food. So if you want to go ahead and then actually add funds such as Uber Cash and then use it on the Uber Eats app, as we just mentioned, adding Uber Cash to your account is only possible through the Uber app at this time. However, once you have the proper app open, the process to add funds is incredibly straightforward. So just start by tapping on the app menu icon in the upper left corner and then selecting the wallet tab, as you can see. Then make sure your preferred credit card, debit card, Venmo account, PayPal account or Google Pay account is listed under payment methods. If not, then just tap on the option called add payment method and then follow the prompts to add it. Head back to your primary wallet page and then just tap on the option called add funds. Then tap this select payment on the bottom right corner to choose your preferred payment method. After that, select how much you would like to add to your account balance and then just tap on the option called confirm. Once complete, your balance will be loaded to your Uber account and ready to use for your next ride or meal. Users also have the option to auto refill their balance once it drops below $10. If you are a frequent Uber user, this can save you the hassle of manually reloading your balance every time you run low. To opt into this convenient option, all you need to do is head back to the wallet tab, tap on auto refill and then select your reload amount and then payment method, then tap on update to save your preferences. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually use Uber Cash for Uber Eats. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.